Hey, hello friends. My name is Adee Kulkarni and this is a video of Adee vehicles. This video will show my collection of Japanese toy trains of TOMY. See, this one's toy trains, tracks, accessories like station and all. This will show my collection of TOMY. There are the tracks. This is the stop and go track, and this is a normal track. These tracks are for the bridge. You can just put it like that, and both can be joined. Can I show? See. That's a bridge, and we can insert a big track into it. And next I have some unique tracks, such as, see that one, I like that. It's, it tells the direction of trains. Sorry for a pause. See, that's a unique track. We can tell the train in which direction to go, to right, to middle or to left. It's unique. This is the cleaner. It has sponge over there. And we can just, train goes from here. I'll show you a demo afterwards. I have these tracks. These are the straight tracks. I have that 4. And one great thing of TOMY, it is just an easy clutch to put it. See, there is one thing here, and you can just see, if we press it, the track's done. And that's all I like TOMY from Japan. Next, I have chord tracks. I like the chord tracks so much. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 chord tracks. They help us to give a turn. I have a station. Just stop it over at the stop track. See, like that. Great, na? Good idea. Then I have that type of track. You can just see both have different types. You can join it this way. You can join it that way or any way. I will just show you that. Yes, you can see if the train is coming from here and the yellow part is here. No, I'm going wrong. I need one big track to show a demo. I need to just, yeah, that's it. Now just you can see the train is on the track. It goes. And if the yellow part is here, the train will go here. And if I do yellow part here, the train will go here. It's a common sense. If there is free over here, it goes here. If there is free over here, it goes here. have same to same track but different this one. I have I don't know the name, I forgot it. Then see my trains. I have the Narita Express, in short Next Express. It has normal speed and high speed. See. And it has 3 parts. One main engine, which is that, and other 2 parts. That's the Narita Express. Then I have Japanese Metro. It has only 2 modes, on and off. But it's a great. It holds too much. It has too much capacity. Like I don't know, but yes. And finally, the bullet train Shinkansen JR 500. It is my favorite one of the favorites. It has normal mode, high mode, and off. Now it's off. And that's all my collection. Woohoo! I'm very happy with my collection.